The right tools in the right hands is the combination for success. And when you're talking about surgery, success means better patient outcomes. That's the reason LewisGale Hospital Montgomery is the first hospital in Southwest Virginia to use this new orthopedic surgical robot. This state-of-the-art machine allows surgeons a level of precision never before seen in an operating room.
The idea of the robot is precision and accuracy, and so one of the ways it helps ensure higher quality of patient care or operative experience is it has protective boundaries, and so there's soft tissues around those bones, soft tissues that you don't generally want to be involved in surgery.
This robot, which can be used for both knee and hip surgeries, is among the latest technology LewisGale Hospital Montgomery has invested in to bring better patient care to Southwest Virginia.
We've been taking care of people in the New River Valley for over 50 years. The addition of this type of technology just reinforces our commitment in delivering high-quality health care for the patients of the New River Valley.
As technology changes, grows, and evolves, you may wonder if the future of medicine is in the hands of machines or artificial intelligence. Dr. Bird doesn't think so.
Because I still drive the robot, and I'm still the brains behind it for the most part. AI is hopefully going to be a great help, a great assistant, and it'll probably streamline a lot of cases. But there's still going to be these complicated cases, and each patient is individual, and every case you got to handle a little bit different. And then the opportunity to bring the most advanced technology just makes you feel better about what you're doing for the community and the care you're providing.